All right, all right. Lots of momentum. Nice broad-based rally. I'm still of the opinion that you should be closing out your non-profitable companies. Just be involved with good stuff. I think it's going to be a choppy year, and we're going to be in a trading range and go back and forth. Hopefully, not as violently as we have been, but nonetheless, that's the case. So, look, S&P 500 is just moving up. We're not going to chase it. We'll let it do what it's got to do. Doesn't seem to be letting up. Leaving a couple of gaps behind us. Really, not much more to say about it. Bitcoin setting up another bull flag, man. I think we get another update on this. If you didn't get into it on that break, yep, that's a nice retrace. You could take a break tomorrow of 48,390 if it closes down around here. I kind of like the pattern. The momentum is good and strong, so that would be a good entry on a flag. And really not going to go through much else. 10-year pulling back a little bit. Really, what's going on is the market has done the work of the Fed, did the tightening. I mean, mortgage rates are up at about I think 4.85, 5%, somewhere around there. So money's getting more expensive. It's going to slow down the economy a little bit, and the Feds won't really have to work so hard. Although everybody's bitching and moaning, they're 8 or 9 interest rates. They're going to bring it to neutral, and back off. And I think everybody sees that. Also, we're coming into earnings season, and um, we should see some good numbers. Everybody lowered their guidance last quarter, so I'm sure the analysts are going to be shooting low, and companies are going to come in above expectation, and that's pretty much the game, and that'll take us into the summer. So I think that's what's going on. These are a lot of days up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. We got to pull back a little bit. That's what I'm looking for. So everybody watch your downside. As far as the swing trade, I don't see any setups other than BTC. And I'll be looking for that tomorrow. If it doesn't break that overnight, that will be my move. And that's it. All right. So have a good night. And I'll see you in the morning.